Hey everyone, it's Jana Verbakel Leach, Realtor in London, Ontario. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you like watching these videos, and also to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Now, I wanted to talk about a subject that's a little bit touchy and obviously very emotional, and that is divorce, separation, and breakups. Now, I often will have clients that come to me because they need to move out of the house that they're currently in. And a lot of times that home is owned jointly with a spouse or a common law partner. And I find that when I'm speaking to these new clients, there's a lot of misconceptions about what they can do. And in a lot of times, because they have substantial equity in their current home, or because they've got a great job, or because they've got savings, there sort of seems to be an assumption that they can just go out and buy a home. And in a lot of cases, there are a whole bunch of steps in between that need to be done before you can actually go out and start that process of purchasing a home. Now, obviously, when someone is going through a breakup, even if it's good, it's going to be a very emotional time. There's usually a sense of urgency to just kind of get out of the house and move on. And so that's why I wanted to make this video, to let you know that if that's something that you're considering or even going through right now, make sure that you consult, obviously, a lawyer or paralegal, a real estate agent, a mortgage broker, to really truly understand what your options are and what your obligations are. So in many cases, a separation agreement is a requirement before you can take that next step, and they're not always as cut and dry as you might think. One partner may have to collect documentation, and if they don't really want to leave the relationship, often that can sort of translate into them dragging their heels, or not being able to find documents. And if all you want to do is sort of move on, you have to rely on this other person. So it's obviously a very messy time in many cases, a very emotional time. So just make sure that you are aware of the steps that you actually need to take in order to be able to move on in the best way for you. So anyway, those are my thoughts. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those below or reach out to me through direct messaging on social media. Hope you're having a great day. And as always, thanks for watching.